As per our especially current JASMY coin cost expectation, the worth of JASMY coin will expanded by 243.40%, coming to $0.0193 by end of 2025 incredibly. All specialized pointers show that the ongoing opinion in a real sense is negative, while the trepidation and covetousness file is perusing 19.60, which sort of means intense trepidation. Our JASMY coin gauge, it's unsafe to basically sell JASMY coin this moment, which really is genuinely huge. On walk 6, 2023. Practically generally specialized investigation pointers flagged bullish signs, while exceptionally different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall negative opinion among JASMY coin cost forecasts, which for the most part is genuinely huge. See the specific JASMY coin cost forecast beneath. You will especially realize how kind of much JASMY coin is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the truly most recent 30 days, JASMY coin essentially has really diminished by 4.27%. Because of this, we can generally get with the exception of a truly slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of spring, the worth of JASMY coin expanded by 118.38% and came to approach around $0.0117 in an unobtrusive manner. At present, all pointers are demonstrating negative zone, and the apprehension and ravenousness file in every practical sense shows 19.60 intense feelings of dread, which generally is very critical. As indicated by our conjecture, this isn't the perfect opportunity to sell JASMY coin without a doubt. Right now, JASMY coin is exchanging beneath the 200 exceptionally straightforward moving normal a significant way. For the very most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a JASMY coin selling signal. The cost of JASMY coin is presently running underneath the 50-day kind of straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and it shows a sell commonly signal in a sort of significant manner. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will explicitly hit $0.00564 toward the finish of December, which essentially is very huge. By December 2024, JASMY coin's momentary 50-day SMA shows a $0.00597. The extremely relative strength record, RSI, energy oscillator, really is a famous marker that signals whether a cryptographic money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, as opposed to prevalent thinking. RSI for the most part is at present at or Civilu. This demonstrates that the JASMY market is in a purchase position. JASMY coin, JASMY, value expectation 2023. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, JASMY coin came to $0.00568, when it really dipped under $0.00303. Interestingly, since January 2021, as indicated by the financial backers and market trades, JASMY coin is en route to passing the $0.0118 mark before the current year's over. Before $0.0118, it might break its sign of $4.99 and certainly reach, as per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, JASMY coin will especially break its past all-time high of $4.99 and hold somewhere in the range of $0.0105 and $0.0118 soon in a fundamentally significant manner. At this point, on 6 Walk 2023, JASMY coin in every way that really matters is exchanging at $0.00539, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 39.55 M, and it generally makes number 135 cash in the entire crypto world. JASMY coin value forecast 2024. There is plausible that JASMY coin can get through the $0.0137 boundary and most certainly hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The sort of the least JASMY coin cost will be between $0.0115 to $0.0137, and the most probable JASMY coin cost will in a real sense be consistent at around $0.0135 toward the finish of 2024. Despite JASMY coin's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its ecologically disagreeable energy use, very rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that JASMY coin will reach $0.0137 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. JASMY coin value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists generally anticipate that JASMY will begin the year at $0.0159 and exchange around $0.0193. As per their forecasts, this would be incredibly extremely high contrasted with truly a year ago. This in every practical sense is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. JASMY Coin Value Forecast 2026. There explicitly is a decent opportunity that JASMY Coin 2026 value expectation will exceptionally twofold in cost. However, it is likewise commonly conceivable that it may not basically arrive at its normal greatest $0.0245 level, or so they basically thought. JASMY Coin for the most part is anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking high of $0.0235 or $0.0245 in 2026, and it very well may be the time of JASMY Coin. In a significant manner, JASMY Coin Value Expectation 2027 JASMY Coin Value Forecast, or JASMY, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it essentially can possibly accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap in every practical sense, significant way. JASMY Coin's cost for the most part is supposed to outperform $0.0245 in 2027. It has been anticipated that JASMY Coin will essentially arrive at the most extreme cost of $0.0245, and the fundamentally least cost is supposed to be around $0.0207 in the following a long time from 2027. JASMY Coin Estimate 2028 Market examiners and specialists foresee say that JASMY Coin Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, JASMY Coin generally is supposed to cross a value level of $0.0278 in 2028. In the meantime, JASMY Coin truly is supposed to arrive at an exceptionally least cost of $0.0256 this year, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The most extreme cost may by and large reach $0.0296. JASMY Coin, JASMY, Value Expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The JASMY Coin Value Expectation and Specialized Examination generally foresee that the expense of JASMY Coin will explicitly reach $0.0391, and the cost of JASMY ought to reach $0.0391 before the year's over in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, JASMY can reach up to $0.0364 in cost from 2024 to 2029. Delay will bring critical years for JASMY Coin development, which is genuinely huge. JASMY Value Expectation 2030 of every 2030. JASMY Coin Value Forecast really are supposed to sort of cross the $0.0559 fundamentally normal cost level, as per JASMY Coin estimate, and specialized examination in an unpretentious manner. Toward the finish of 2030, JASMY Coin's base cost is supposed to really be $0.0526. Furthermore, JASMY can sort of arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0.05